Hi everyone, nice to see you again. I'm Zoe. I wanna paint a persimmon. It's a fruit, very juicy, sweet, and most of the time you eat in the autumn. The fruit persimmon, in Chinese we call it 柿子. It means everything will go smoothly. So this is a very good symbol for Chinese people. So today I want to share this persimmon with you. This green and this blue, we mix them together. I think this might be too watery. When you absorb water, we can absorb from this part. Okay, let's start with leaves. Wow, cute. Next one. Remember to keep changing colors to make your leaves more variety. Don't put too much water. Lovely. I think the color is so fancy, the combination of the blue and the green. Remember, we need to play with our brush, use different angle, different direction, and this part angle we need to hold on and use the power, the strength from here. Play with our brush. Now these are all the leaves we want to do. Then we need to wash our brush, change another one. Now let's go to the branch part. We use this brown color with the dark color. Remember to control your water. I have an idea. I want to go from the bottom to the middle. We want to do 2 dry leaves here. Too dry. Okay, another one. Okay, now we basically finished the branch and I'm very happy about it. And now we use the small brush to describe the leaves. Be confident and be free. That's the key. I find a way to make it look better is when you start this, you stop here for a while. Like that. Stop for a while. Stop for a while. Stop for a while. Move fast. Stop for a while. Move fast. Stop for a while. Move fast. I think it's a good time we do the persimmon, the fruit. First, yellow, this red. Okay. Then use a little bit this deep red on the top of your brush. Here. Another one. Oh, I think my color is not enough. I need more. I basically mix. I forgot the red. That's fine. Do another one. And this time don't forget about a little bit red on the top. Okay, great. Let's do one here. Different shade. One hiding here. Cute. I think we still need more branch though. Do some leaves. I have a fruit here, so I need some branch to connect with my fruit. Okay, let's do some leaves. Actually, it's spot. What I want to do in writing is everything goes smoothly. Okay, now we finish. I think this painting is super for today's makeup because my makeup is a little bit orange and the persimmon is also orange. Like that. So, I'm really appreciate you watching my channel and I hope you will enjoy this video. Also, I hope your life will be 事事如意, everything goes smoothly. If you like my video, please don't forget about follow my channel, or if you have any interesting idea, you can leave comments below. So, that's it. I'm Zoe. See you next time.